Ever wondered if drinking 8 glasses of water a day really hydrates your skin? Or if oily skin doesn't need moisturizing? Let's debunk some hydration myths. Contrary to popular belief, while drinking water is crucial for overall health, it doesn't directly hydrate your skin. And guess what? Even oily skin needs moisturizing. Without it, your skin might overcompensate for the dryness by producing more oil. So remember, hydrating your skin isn't as simple as guzzling water or skipping moisturizer. Now that we've cleared up some myths, let's move on to understanding the correct way to hydrate your skin. Hydrating your skin is not rocket science, but it does require a methodical approach. Let's dive into the 4-step process of effective skin hydration. First off, cleansing. This is your starting point. Cleansing removes the dust, sweat, and bacteria that accumulate on your skin throughout the day. It's like clearing the canvas before you start to paint. A gentle, water-based cleanser is usually the best way to go. Now, on to toning. Think of toner as your skin's best friend. It helps balance your skin's pH levels and preps it for the following steps. This step might seem optional, but toning can really make a difference, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Next up, we have the hydrating serum. This is your hydration hero. Serums are packed with potent ingredients that penetrate deep into your skin. They deliver a concentrated dose of hydration and can address specific skin concerns like dryness or dullness. Finally, moisturizing. This is the sealant that locks in all the good stuff you've just applied. Moisturizers create a protective barrier on your skin, preventing moisture loss throughout the day. Look for one that suits your skin type, and remember, even oily skin needs moisturizing. Remember, consistency is key. Make these steps a part of your daily routine for the best results. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and you deserve to feel as good as you look. In the world of skin hydration, remember these golden rules. The first is to always use products suitable for your skin type. Just like we all have unique personalities, our skin does too. So, what works for one might not work for another. The second rule is consistency. A regular skincare routine is key to maintaining a healthy, hydrated complexion. Don't forget the importance of a balanced diet. Your skin is a mirror to your overall health. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can do wonders for your skin hydration. Remember, hydration is not just about drinking water. It's about maintaining the right balance of nutrients and moisture in our skin. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep either. Your skin does most of its repairing and regenerating while you're catching those Z's. Hydrated skin is happy skin, so give your skin the love it deserves. Until next time, keep glowing.